Fidget toy check. Sorry, my room's a mess. I don't want to hold it and I can't be able to clean it. So, yes. Show us your oldest fidget. Show us your newest fidget. Show us your least favorite fidget. Show us your 3 favorite fidgets. Show us your favorite jumbo puppet. Show us your favorite dimple. Show us all your dimples. Show us all your dimples, yeah. Right, this is going to be a lot, so show us all your puppets. Don't make... look at all my puppets! Oh my god! It's raining puppets. The reason why I do not like this one is because it doesn't pop along the way. Look, it doesn't do it, and I'm really mad. Like, I got to run away. I got to get away. And then, lastly, but not least, show us your extra fidgets. So I have a vegetable octopus. I named him August because August is the 8th month. So it's what it looks like when he's like that. And then you're just gonna put you on the floor. And then, boom, this body looks like if he's mad. So I'm going to do it with the other one. This one's called October because Octopus and I turned 10 when I got this. And then I'll show you when it goes in the other direction. Wait, you can already see him. Look. That's what it looks like in the other direction, but I'll show you fully. And... stop it, get away. And boom, that's what it looks like when he's mad sometimes. And then I've got my favourite Neato ball. It's a pig, but his eye came off and half his snoot came off. Then got my monkey noodle because I have more like puppets than dimples. So, yeah.